Grandma fell down, the lady fell down, the baby fell down, the man fell down, the boy fell down, and so many people are falling down. Don't you think so that I have used the word fell and fall again and again? Doesn't it look repetitive? Yes, it does. So, do we have any other words to replace the word fall or fell when we are writing or speaking? If you don't know, so today's video is for you because today we are going to learn the synonyms for the word fall or fell. So stay tuned with me because I'll be sharing with you the synonyms along with their sentences, and in the description box you will also get a quiz that you can download and solve to check your knowledge. Done? So without any further ado, let's get started. So here is a passage where you will find the word fall repeatedly. We'll mark it and later it will be your task to change this word with its alternative. Right? Let's listen to the passage. In the whimsical land of Toytopia, a brave teddy bear named Tumbles was preparing for an extraordinary adventure. With a courageous heart, Tumbles climbed to the top of the enchanted block tower. As he reached the summit, a mischievous wind caused the tower to fall, sending Tumbles on a thrilling fall through the air. As he fell, Tumbles noticed a magical slide leading to the Cloud Kingdom. Unable to resist the allure, he took a daring fall down the slide. The clouds giggled beneath him as he descended. And just as he thought the adventure was over, a friendly dragon invited him to join a falling race. As they zoomed through the skies, Tumbles and the dragon spotted a candy mountain below. Unable to resist the sweet temptation, they fell towards it, causing the mountain to collapse into a piece of delicious treats. The inhabitants of Toytopia celebrated the sweet victory, grateful for Tumbles' daring escapade. And we are done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times using fall or fell in the same piece of writing. So now it's time to fix it. Let's first learn some words and then you will be fixing it, right? The first word that can replace fall is plummet. Plummet means fall or drop straight down at high speed, and it's a verb. You can make it past by adding ed. Jack plummeted down the staircase and broke his leg. Plummet or plummeted. Tumble. Tumble means fall suddenly, clumsily, or headlong. It is also a verb. Amy tripped and tumbled to the ground while skateboarding. You can see first she tripped and then she tumbled to the ground. You can add ed to change tumble to its past form, tumbled. Collapse. Collapse can be used for a building or a structure. It's a verb. If a building falls suddenly, you can use the word collapse. And you can also use collapse for people. We'll see the example in the next slide. But here, let's check this out. The century-old house finally collapsed after the storm. Collapsed means to fall down suddenly. Now collapse for a person. Matthew collapsed after receiving a punch from Ed right on his head. If a person collapses, it means he has become unconscious as a result of an illness or injury. Collapse. Next word is topple. Topple means to overbalance or cause to overbalance and fall, which means first to lose your balance and then you fall. Okay? For example, the tree toppled into the river because of the strong wind. So what happened first? The wind pushed it, overbalanced it, and later it toppled into the river. It fell into the river. Topple is also a verb. You can change it to the past by adding ed to it. Next word is nosedive. Nosedive means to drop rapidly, and it is a verb and a noun as well. First, let's see the example of it being a verb. The unfortunate fighter jet nosedived and crashed into the field. It means that the jet dropped rapidly down. Nosedive as a noun can be used like the most breathtaking part of the air show was the nosedive of the aircraft. Now, here, nosedive is a noun. Let me tell you a tip: if you cannot figure out that whether it's a noun or a verb, just check if it has an article before it. Most probably it's a noun. So in this sentence, nosedive is a steep downward plunge, steep downward fall of the aircraft. This is the name of an activity, right? So I hope that you have got many synonyms for the word fall or fell. Now it's time to fix this passage, but try to solve it yourself without looking at the answers that I have given here. This is the end of our today's video. Hope you have liked it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.